What's up, guys? Staying here with SG Airsoft once again, and I have another unbagging or package from Evike.com to open up for you guys. This is the headset that I didn't get in my other RMA video, so this is the headset in the RMA. So let's open it up. So, basically got a blue box. Says Bowman Elite C027 in black. So, let's take a look at this. So, you got the ear muff, I guess you can call it, right there, and then it just goes like that. So, should be pretty legit. It's actually pretty cheap at like $27, so I'm actually really happy. Seems like good quality, so we'll have to find out on our own. So thank you guys for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe.